Hey everyone, welcome to Algebra video series. Today we are talking about SFRA and Site Genesis and Salesforce Commerce Cloud and why SFRA takes the lead in modern development. Here we talk about the key differences between Site Genesis and SFRA. As you know, the Site Genesis introduced by the Demandware was an upstart launching the SaaS model for the e-commerce. This is predecessor to the SFRA and does not natively support mobile web experience. Mobile web experience is much slower in performance and does not support code extensions. And then Salesforce B2B Commerce Cloud launched the SFRA to provide starting point for the retailers to build state of art shopping experience quicker and easier than before. It was built on mobile first optimized UX, which is much more efficient and scalable and modern as compared to the older site Genesis model. Let's go to the next model. Here's overview of Salesforce Commerce Cloud architecture from Site Genesis to SFRA. Site Genesis first version 1.0 introduced in 2009, which was developed by Demandware. After that, they introduced 2.0 in 2014, which was broad development change, moving away from pipeline and introducing a new architecture based on MEC design pattern. Version 2.0 used a mix of standard JavaScript and Demandware script. After that, they introduced in 2014 MFRA. MFRA front-end Salesforce would now focus on making it faster and easier for brands to build state-of-art shopping experience for redesign the backend. In 2018, they introduced SFRA Salesforce was released a complete backend and a significant update to the front-end architecture. And then they introduced in 2021 PA in Salesforce release Packet as the fastest way to turn storefront into a progressive web app. PA is a headless commerce cloud solution that separates the front end experience layer from the backend and using by using the backend architecture API. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform that provides a site of business application designed to manage and streamline various aspects of customer interaction, sales, marketing, and services. The platform is known for its flexibility, scalability, and accessibility throughout the cloud. Throughout the cloud, Salesforce is widely used across various industries and business sizes, offering a centralized platform for organization to manage and analyze customers' interaction, improves sales process, and enhance business efficiency. Let's go to the next slide. Here's the key differences between Site Genesis and SFRA. So I have divided some differences in different points. So let's talk about them to understand more the differences. The first point is design approach. Inside the design approach, SFRA is built with a mobile first approach, ensuring the customer stores looks good and functions great on all devices because it is responsive. On the other hand, Site Genesis is primarily desktop focused, and adapting it for mobile can be challenging. And the second point is technology stack. Inside the technology stack, SFRA use open source technologies like React and Node.js, making it easier to find developers and customize the platform as well. As compared to the site Genesis, uh, They more use some technologies which can be limit the options and also increase the cost. Inside the customization, SFRA model architecture allow for easy customization and extension throughout the cottage without touching the core code base. As compared to the site genesis, release relies on a template-based customization, which can be more complex and breaking during the upgrades. And the integration, SFRA provide flexible integration capabilities with various third party systems. As compared to the site genesis, integration can be more complex and third party cannot involve inside that. And the performance, SFRA is optimized for speed and scalability, ensuring your store can be handle heavy traffic. As compared to the site genesis, uh, may experience a performance issue with large store and also the heavy traffic. So let's explore the site genesis. So here is the site genesis a basic demo which provided by the Salesforce. This is SFCC legacy architecture. Site genesis was an industry standard for many years and has powered numerous e-commerce websites. It focuses on delivering a comprehensive out-of-box solutions for online businesses. And the site genesis, we have all the basic pages like home page, product listing page, and we have product page and a cart page, and also uh, the main page that is the checkout, and after that a thank you page. Inside the site genesis, we have JS files, CSS files, are also included XML templates. And site genesis is a pipeline based, then they move to the controllers, and after that they will move on SFRA, which is MVC based architecture. So this is the first version of demandware, which is introduced by SFCC. Still a lot of customers use controllers and pipelines. So let's explore pages one by one. So this is home page. If you see here in top, we have marketing slot. We use which we use for promotion discounts, which is already provided by the site Genesis. We don't need to do any custom code, and it is controlled by the BM. After that, we have a header section over here, and here's a logo, search bar, view mini cart, and then navigation over here. If you see in the home page, after that we have a banner section over here. We see the if we show the products for the promotions and something like this. And here we have the e-marketing spots, and we have here the footer section over here. So this is basic home page that is provided by the site Genesis. So let's explore other pages as well. So if I click over here, this is product listing page of site Genesis. In left side we have filter section, which is included a color section, price, and new arrival, And here is also we can show our products and top sellers as well here. If we click here, so this is the product page of Site Genesis, and product page is consists on the main image and is some description and product detail over here, and then footer over here. After selecting the size of the product, we can add to cart, and this is when we click on add to cart, mini cart will be open here for some time, and after that this will be disappear. So let's click on the view cart. So this is cart page here. Okay, and this is login page. So we are here we can register the user, and we can also check out by the guest. So if we already have the username password, we can provide here, and then click on the login. Right now we don't have a username, so let's click on the guest user. Okay, so here we once we fill the overall the form, then we can purchase this product, and then the page will be appear here. So this is the basic demo of the site Genesis. So if we explore further this one site Genesis, if we click on here and then inspect the code over here, so here you can see no any responsive. So let's talk about the SFRA. So first you need for the setup for the demo you need the sandbox. So which is not available freely. It is paid one. So once you have access of sandbox, then you work on the site. As I already explained, Salesforce site controlled from the BM. So this is business manager. Let's explore more. So here you can see the option which is select a site. Here you can select the created sites that you have already created. So there are two main important sections here. One is a merchant tool which is used for set up their products, catalogs, content, so which is available to their sites. And the second one is administration. Administration section is mostly used by the developers, to do some kind of custom configuration or development for the site. So let's start the setup. So first we select the administration, then site import and export, and after that we will go to the here is the two type of demos. First is site genesis, and after that SFRA. So here we are going to set up the SFRA demo. first we say select, and then so after selecting the demo for the SFRA, so here are so many other options also available. So must we go to the storefront reference architecture for the all options feature. As we already set up this one, just I'm going to show you here how we can set up. So here you can see the status. So it will take it around about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's select the site. So after selecting the site, so here you can see other options are also available for merchant. So if you now install the site, these options are not available here for the merchant tool. So it is necessary, so you have to first install the site, and then all options are available for the merchant one. So here another important option, which is the indexing. So if you did not index the site, then the products are not visible for the storefront. So here other two options are also available, which is toolkit and storefront. So for the toolkit, it is very also important option here, which is mostly used for the developers to see the difference between the pages. And so after completing this index, so once we click on the so here in home page we have navigation and some navigations also. When we click on the subcategory, so we have another page, which is the product listing page. You can see, as we explained earlier in the Site Genesis, so this is for the SFRA. So here is also logo search bar here, and also the language bar, and login and logout section. We have also the marketing content here. So here's a summary of architectural improvements in SFRA, which makes SFRA lead in modern development. The big advantage of SFRA is page designer. Page designer components to provide business teams the capability to design pages with no IT dependency. SFRA business users can easily get started on building pages by taking advantage of the new SFRA optimized modular design and components. Also, SFRA enhanced wireframe and UX redesign, which include single page accordion, style checkout with collapsible summarize out of the box. Also, SFRA is pixel perfect sites with extensibility module to build a unique brand experience with a framework that makes fast, easy, and also customize websites. SFRA provide an easier path to implement new features and bug fixes as well. and also futures upgrades as compared to the site genesis. SFRA is modern and faster framework because in templates are written in by using the Bootstrap 4 version. Templates are written using by Bootstrap 4 version and also jQuery, helping enhance the page speed and also the client side page performance. Here is the technical benefits of SFRA. Administrators, development of modular maintenance and upgradable code. And SFRA encourage developers to write less code as features can be extended from out-of-box components and easily configured instead of copying code and modifying it. Automatic support for CI/CD. CI/CD tools are included for the automatic development and testing. Industry standards development and patterns. SFRA also supports MVC and medieval as well. Data model and the format of JSONs. In SFRA supports extensible data model and data transfer in serialized JSON format, which is the industry standard. In the class inheritance and extensibility model, the SFRA based the framework model and control can be untouched with the new classes uh, developed as extension, hence avoiding the duplications of code, which was very normal in the site genesis. In conclusion, both SFRA and Site Genesis can massively improve the UX of an e-commerce cloud store and provide the shoppers with a smooth and hard to forget experience to turn them into the return customers. But differ a lot in the technologies used, the architecture, and also the price involved. E-commerce vendors should analyze the situation to see which one will be the good fit for them. Thank you so much.